everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by today. I'm super excited because today we're going to be talking about shoes, Cozy Island shoes to be specific. All right, I cannot wait to dig into this. If you're new, I'm Laura. Wyatt is the white puppy dog hanging out with me today. Please hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So Cozy Island is all about cozy shoes for your feet. But don't worry, these are still amazing shoes that will make your outfits stand out. So we're not talking thick soles or anything like that. We're talking about beautiful heels that you're going to want to put on. So Cozy Island is all about creating a cozy island for your feet. Yes, this means that the shoes are built to make sure that they're addressing all of those pain points that you have when you're trying to wear those really stylish shoes and your feet are just killing you and you give up and you end up in a flat or a tennis shoe. You don't have to do that anymore. So if you're suffering from, I just can't take wearing heels anymore, you're going to change your mind whenever you see these shoes. So they're made from fabrics that are stretchy and comfortable, and the heels and the soles are made to make sure that your feet are as comfortable as possible. But let me start to dig right into my first box. I have 4 pair I'm going to share with you today, and then we'll put them in some outfits, and I'll give you a closer look at them on as well that we're going to be sharing in this video. All right. And the price points for these shoes are around $99. So they're not uber expensive, they're not uber cheap, but they're at the perfect price point to make sure that you're getting all the comfort that you need. And guess what? I have a discount code for you, so stay tuned. They have so many styles to choose from mules to sandals to boots to booties to heels. You are going to just absolutely love the selection as well as the colors as well as the styles. These aren't your grandma's shoes, right? These are going to be something that you're going to want to step out in. So this first pair is called the Commute Grace Pointed Toe Heeled Mule. Check out that heel. Look how it's like the silver. Is that not so cute? And it's not uber thin, so you can see it gets a little bit wider there, which I love, which makes it more stable. You don't get into the cracks of sidewalks and mark them up, so I'm loving that. Gorgeous heel. And then check out this strappy front. How adorable is that? These are adorable. They're made from a flexible, comfortable fabric. It adds a little bit of stretch and comfort, so it's going to mold to your foot. And then check out the bottom. These are going to be slip resistant and they're comfortable, like they move with your feet. They're not hard. I love the slip resistant. How many times are you walking on a smooth surface and you start to slip? It's the worst feeling in all the world. These are going to be perfect for that. So perfect heel, perfect bottom, comfy, stretchy fabric, and stylish, right? These will be with everything from dresses to jeans. Adorable. Love it. These come in 3 different colors, sizes 5 to 11, $99. Love. All right, we're going to keep on going. This is an awesome slingback, and you know how slingbacks are coming back in big time. Check out the same kind of heel. This one is all in this gorgeous neutral. All the stretchy fabric, again, around where it matters, your toes, the widest part of your foot. It's going to conform. This awesome slingback that has stretch, so it's not going to dig into your heel. But we're going to test these out. Don't worry. They have the buckle that's adjustable. Are these not gorgeous? So I have a funny story about Cozy Island. I had gotten an email from them asking me to share their shoes with you. And I hadn't got a chance to respond. But I had checked out their site and their shoes were adorable. So I really was thinking I wanted to partner with them. But I go to work. I was on site for work for a few days and I'm sitting beside a colleague and I noticed her shoes. And I said, "Your shoes are adorable." And she said, "Thank you. I appreciate that. They're Cozy Island. You should try them out." So I rushed home and answered Cozy Island to say, yes, I really do want to make sure I get to try your shoes and partner and probably become a lifelong fan. So I thought that was funny because it was just right, the most timely it could be. All right, let's keep going. So this one is called the Minimalist Color Block pointed toe heeled slingback. This comes in 4 different colors. They have a leopard that is super cute. They have a black with a red, this little red buckle here, which is adorable, and a red heel. How cute is that? They have the solid black with a turquoise heel, which is really cute, and a little turquoise buckle. And then, like I said, the leopard, which is leopard down here and then nude at the top. These are adorable. And all of the ones I'm going to be sharing with you are $99, and I did pick all of these, so these are styles that resonate with me, but they have many, many, many other styles, higher heels, lower heels, like all the things. All right, let's move to the next pair. You guys all know how much I love, love, love a great mule. It's one of my very favorite things to do. Call me lazy, I don't know, but I love easy in, easy out shoes that you can just slip on, take them right out. So this pair I fell in love with instantly. Look how trendy. The little belt buckle is at the top. These again with the stretchy fabric at the bottom. The no slip heel. That same style heeling with the kitten heel. So these are about 2 inches. Let me see if I can confirm what these are for you. I do believe they're at 2 inches. 2.56 inches. So I think that's probably all the heels that I picked because I don't like to go much higher. At that point, then my feet start to hurt. I may feel very differently in these, so but I'm loving this heel height. I love this buckle. So, so cute. Again, the stretchy fabric. These are bendy. All right, and these are, let's see, they come in 3 different colors, nude, black, and then also a leopard, and sizes 5 to 11. Adorable, right? Can't wait to share these with you as well. In an outfit. Okay, one more. I have one more. This one is so super cute. I had to bring you leopard, right? So this is another fun mule. So I'm thinking all kinds of spring transition here, but these would be perfect for summer as well. In fact, they're pretty good for all seasons except probably snowy season, right? All right, so this one is called the Grace Leith Pointed Toe Heel Mule. Do you not love the leopard? I love the leopard. Oh, love the leopard. Love this extra little strap because then they're not flapping around and making all that noise when you walk. I hate the flapping, right? So this is high enough on your foot that it's going to keep it from flapping. It's going to stay on your foot easier. This one is a little bit of a higher heel, so we get to try it out and see how comfortable they really are. This one is almost 3 inches, 2.76. Love the little belt buckle. Again, I picked the no slip bottoms. These are going to be so, so fun to try on and put into outfits. So we're going to check out how stable these heels are, but I think I'm going to love them, as well as how comfy that stretchy fabric is. I'm so excited to try. And do keep in mind that these are, like, if you have a wider foot, these are wider foot friendly. I do not, I would say I have a medium, so we're going to try these out and make sure they stay on my feet and are as comfortable as I think they're going to be. All right, let's get right to it. First outfit. Simple and easy with this cute little striped top, a cuffed denim, and then these amazing shoes with the silver heel that really, really pops. These are adorable. They have the extra on the front, which give it some visual interest. They are comfortable. I feel like I can run. So if I had to run for a reason, they're not hurting my feet. They're not rubbing. They're comfy, cushy. These are so fun. I feel like you can do all the things and still have a stylish shoe. Now this shoe has the same inside padding as this one. So you can see how it has the extra foot support here and here and here as well. Do you see that extra cushiony? It's extra padding to make it more comfortable for your foot. How cute are these, right? They look cute with just a cuff denim, but they would look really great with a dress, a night out outfit, all the things. And oh, so comfy. Next up, all right, how about a fun leopard print with black and a color pop? Again, just an easy cuff jean. I want to make sure you guys are able to see how adorable these shoes are. I absolutely love them. These are a little bit higher, but do not feel like it. The fabric of these shoes conforms to your foot. So they're not too tight, they're not too loose, they just fit perfectly. And then I love that these are incredibly stylish. The heel, even though I'm on carpet, does still feel solid and not wobbly, which I'm also loving. I love a leopard shoe. I love that this is in a heel. Let me show you the footbed of this one as well. This one actually has a little bit of that arch support here as well. All cushiony here, cushiony at the arch support, cushiony at your foot. All the things. And then this has give and stretch, and of course don't forget the slip resistant bottom, which I'm in love with. And I do really like that this heel is a little bit thicker, so hopefully it doesn't slide into those cracks in the sidewalks or pavement that we all have to walk on when we're at work or shopping or dinner. There's always a sidewalk with a crack. I'm telling you, that's how I've always scuffed up my heels before. These are so adorable. Again, incredibly comfy. I feel like I could take off running in them if I had to. Love the little belt buckle just for something extra with that gold. This pair comes in 8 different colors, from pink to blue to black. Lots of colors in this particular pair. So for all the things. What do you think? How about an elevated weekend look? Check these out. Again, these have all kinds of foot padding as well as support for the heel. All kinds of cushy. This is all cushy all through this whole entire shoe. Super cute, right? Love this heel height. These are so cute. Love it with an elevated look. They're just going to bring exactly what you need, even though they're in a basic neutral. They're going to go with all the things. These are such a great slingback. Again, wear them with dress pants, a dress, all the things. Be such a cute out with the girls kind of outfit, right? You don't love this? And again, so comfy. They're not going to slip when you're walking. They're staying right on the right spot of your heel. They're not rubbing. It's not rubbing across my foot. Oh, so comfy. Zena's decided to join us because she heard about shoes. So now she's like, I want to see all the shoes, right, Z? She likes anything brown. Huh, to go with you in your fur. All right, got one last pair. Let's now talk about these for a date night outfit. Again, these have all the great footbed, heel, arch support going on here, all nice and soft and comfy. Look at this flexibility, no slip. Love these. I love a great mule. These definitely just hit the mark and check all the boxes. Style, comfort, they're on trend, the heel height, it all just works perfectly for me. I love that you do not have to compromise your style for comfort with Cosy Island. So many styles to choose from. These are so adorable. Like, I absolutely love them. Just took my jacket off for a cute little night out. Love the neutral with just the leopard, as I said before. I think this brings all the style. What did you guys think? Awesome, right? These shoes are awesome. You need to grab your favorite color in this amazing slingback. You're not going to be sorry. The heel is perfect, and they have so many other styles that you're going to want to check out. If you use my code YT10Laura, you're going to get 10% off anything you choose from their site. YT10Laura. This is so awesome. I'm so glad I was able to share these with you. I can't wait to hear what your favorite shoe was. Let me know which one you like best. They do have thicker heels if you prefer a block heel. They have them if you prefer something flatter. They have them if you still are looking for boots. They have them. They have it all. And I promise they're going to be comfy cozy. As always, all the information will be listed down below for the shoes that I share with you today, as well as that discount code to get your 10% off. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. This was so much fun. Hope I can do this again for you. Please hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.